You know what I think today what we're going to do is something fun. I'm going to go to Periscope, and there's a really cool broadcast going on at the moment. It's a bond hearing, so I'm going to pipe in and give my thoughts on what's going on. Enjoy, and there we go.
Your name, ma'am?
Charlotte Love Strawn.
Ms. Strawn, you're here for a violation of probation for driving under the influence. I'll appoint the public defender. It's alleged that you committed a new act of driving under the influence on or about February 3rd, as well as driving with license suspended, and you didn't pay your cost of supervision. Ma'am, you're being held at no bond status, so I'll enter denials in your case. Your next court date will be a violation of probation arraignment.
Sucks to be you, lady.
Division 81.
Oh, he's a big boy. You know what he did.
All right. Your name, please. What's your name?
Regis Bone.
Mr. Bone, you're here for 2 charges, driving with license suspended with knowledge, as well as expired driver's license. You're out on bond on those cases. Do you want a public defender? Do you plan to hire your own attorney or represent yourself?
Represent myself.
And then you're also here, sir, for a violation of probation in case number 2017, CT 4957AO. As you're aware, you were on probation starting on August 17th, August 8th, 9th of 2017. The allegations are that you committed a new act of driving with license suspended and expired driver's license, and you didn't pay your cost of supervision. In that case, you're on no bond status. The state, I know that there is a recommendation. I'm not going to follow it. Sir, are you sure you don't want to see if you qualify for the public defender? You're on no bond status. Your next court date will be a violation of probation arraignment.
Yeah.
That way the attorneys can start helping you on your case. Of course, you can hire your own attorney, or you can continue to represent yourself.
I don't know if I qualify.
Well, do you want me to ask you some questions? If you do, either which way, there's a $50 application fee. It would become part of your court cost. Sir, do you work?
Yeah.
And what's your income?
Like $700 a month.
Jeepers, what do you
And do you support anybody?
Minimum wage,
I
part-time?
live with my mom and pay half the bills.
So, do you support her too?
That's what she said, lady.
Pay the bills together.
All right, $700 a month does qualify you for the public defender services. So I'll go ahead and appoint them to represent you. You now have an attorney in all 3 of these cases, okay?
Okay.
Okay, counsel, now that I can repeat everything I said and make you part of the conversation. Yeah. I haven't done anything yet.
Okay.
All right, counsel?
Your Honor, Mr. Bone would just like to inquire of the availability of bond for this charge, Your Honor.
I've looked at Judge Laurent's warrant, and it does hold him at no bond. So I'm not going to modify that. And then on the so he's held on no bond status on the violation of probation.
Yeah, just keep filling up the jail.
Do you want me to have him counsel? So he'll be available and located and housed in the Orange County Jail for further conference. But he is out on bond, and he's getting no other time on the expired driver's license and driving with license suspended. Do you want me to have him remanded and set a new, $25 bond on both of those?
Never heard that happen before.
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, in each case, I'll have him remanded, set a new bond of $25.
Your Honor, are we appointed on these out on bond cases
I
now?
appointed you across the board in all 3 cases.
Lucky dog, lucky dog. We gonna get out on a $50 bond. We want poor motherfucker.
Sir, your name, please?
Louis Rivera.
Mr. Rivera, you're here for a violation of probation. You're represented by the Public Defender's Office. There is no offer on your case, is that correct, State?
Yes, that is correct.
So I'll go ahead and enter denials as to all allegations. Your next court date will be in Division 83, Judge Bell. Your court date is on March 16th of 2018, 8:30 in the morning in courtroom 4E. The Public Defender's Office will represent you.
Thank you, Your Honor.
You're welcome.
She's thanking her? You're an idiot.
Sir, your name, please?
Marcus Wiley.
Mr. Wiley, you're here. Mr. Wiley, hi.
Sorry.
It's okay. You're here for a violation of probation from a 2015 driving with license suspended charge. You have 7 days in on this. Do you want a lawyer to help you with your case? I know you start.
No, ma'am. He's talked to me already about.
Okay. He has no public defender appointed. Do you want a lawyer?
Interesting
He
case.
had an offer that may
I have
be
one.
made.
I was going to go with the offer that they offered me.
Okay. What's the offer, State?
10 days, revoke and terminate, admit the BOP.
10 days in jail.
Do you want to do that admission with an attorney or without an attorney?
I'm kind of confused. Is this deal going to be set because I agreed to that deal? I don't need an attorney if that's going to be the
Okay,
deal.
that's the deal. Can you give him a VOP form, please? Thank you.
I just got one question.
What's the question, sir?
I came to jail on the last Tuesday, my time. How old my time?
You have 7 days in, so you would have 3 more days to do, and I'd put you on a payment plan for your court costs.
God, that's good to know.
Do you understand all that, sir?
What about the previous time I went before I got bonded
You had
out?
1 day on the original, 6 days on the violation of probation.
Okay.
I would continue, but I'm getting bored of that. And, no, not going live. I'm already live. Oh. See what this one is. This is Jersey.
Probation, however, based on the 92301, the on-site, he admitted to having Percocet and drug problem, going through withdrawals. Court's discretion as to bond, I just asked that whatever bond set, he continues to report to probation while awaiting hearing.
Okay. All right, Mr. Edwards.
Judge, as a friend of the court, I don't disagree. I would think that, given the fact it's not a Condition 5 violation, that he might be entitled to a bond, but it's got too many moving parts, plus I'm not his attorney.
Yeah, I apologize.
No, you're okay by asking. I can still handle it as a friend of the court, but no, I think it probably should be no bond right now.
That's what the court looks
He's
like
got a
in
hearing
New
coming
Jersey.
up, and maybe his attorney can request a bond in front of the outside court judge.
Yeah. And I tend to agree. I'm going to go ahead and set this at a no bond. You have a court date. It's in front of Judge Maloney. It's already set for March 14th. Your attorney, as soon as you find out who your attorney is going to be, you can make contact, and if you wish to have a bond hearing in front of Judge Maloney to see if she's willing to set a bond for you, then you can do that. If not, at your March 14th court date, you can try to see if you can address the issues. But right now, it's going to be a no bond until further notice. Okay? right, Davidson Hoffman.
Oh, wait, let me have that back. Getting ahead of myself.
All right, sir. All right, you're charged with retail petty theft, possession of heroin, possession of a controlled substance, criminal use of personal identification, tampering or fabricating with physical evidence, and carrying a concealed weapon. And does he qualify? All right, I'm appointing the Public Defender's Office to represent you on this case.
What he needs instead of jail is rehab. If he's hooked on heroin, then jail ain't going to do him any good. But unfortunately, that's how our country works. Yeah. Let's see what else we can find. Anything exciting. And then soon I shall. You know what? You know what would be really funny? Let's do it this way. Police. Chicago Live Police Radio. I have that. NYPD. Well, there's never anything interesting. Okay. Well, that will be enough for this episode. Make sure you like and subscribe. You all know what sub means. And we are